Si Hannah ang best. Si Hannah ang best.
Morning, ma'am. And now, since I all got your attention, please be reminded that the date is set for a promenade, and it's about a week from now. And in that time, you, the boys, are supposed to find their own dates. So, boys, good luck. Girls, choose wisely. Bye now.
Kabaw ka dahil na.
Wait, ipakuan sa good, ipa-focus sa good. Excuse. Hawa, good, hawa sa...
Di kamera na ito.
Uy, pahawa sa good gamay.
Uy, bangas na nung...
You're very funny, siya. Winnie ako balik. Buka ako na naging...
Ayaw lagi, Kevs.
I found some too much fun with you. Ay, sasalamat sa iyo. Too much fun with you. Ako magkala, i-erase niyo. One word says it's all.
Ikat-kat pa na.
That's Lucy. Padul iyo ko
Ay, paduula. Paduula pa. Paduula. Number 2 to.
Alam mo, one afternoon.
Okay.
One lazy afternoon.